In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to delete your comments on Snapchat. You can simply remove your comments in the Spotlight section on Snapchat in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Spotlight on Snapchat. On this video, to write a comment, just tap right here. Then your comment will get public. To delete or remove your comment on the Spotlight videos on Snapchat, just long tap onto the comment. Then select the option of Delete Comment. Your comment will get deleted successfully. You can also reply to your own comment on Spotlight video on Snapchat. Simply tap on Reply, then write a reply to your comment on Spotlight videos on Snapchat. That's how easy it is to remove your comments on Spotlight videos on Snapchat. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.